you all know that the admission cycle is starting or has already started at many places. So IIT Delhi is one of those places, one of the institute where any student who is preparing or has prepared for getting into the colleges for doing their masters is willing to enter at the first priority. So IIT Delhi is the dream of many aspirants sitting out there. So welcome to this video by Ecoholics, where we will be discussing everything you need to know about IIT Delhi MSc Economics program, and we will also be discussing one golden opportunity for all the students who have got one more chance to get into IIT Delhi for this year's admission into first year, that is 2025 and 26. So let's get into the video. Now, how does IIT Delhi select their student? So every year in the time period of September or October, IIT, all the IITs, they release an exam which is IIT JAM Economics paper. IIT JAM for Economics. So anyone who is willing to get into IITs for pursuing their MSc Economics have to fill this entrance examination in September, October, and then following after that, February, in the month of February, the exam takes place. So for all the students who are willing to enter, who are going to enter 2025 to 26 admission cycle, they have already given their entrance examination for IIT JAM through IIT JAM in February 2025. Now, after you give IIT JAM, you wait for your scores, you wait for your result, and eventually a cutoff is released. You have to go and apply to the IIT JAM portal, and eventually you get a seat after making to the cutoff list. So admission list comes out of that, comes after that, after you have registered on the portal, after giving the result, giving the exam and getting the result as well, and then eventually you get into the institute if your name is there in the admission list. So there is a direct admission through IIT JAM for 25 seats in IIT Delhi. There are other IIT Roorkee, then we do have IIT Kanpur for all of this, then we have IIT Madras who chooses gate score, but for IIT Delhi we have just 25 seats. But from last 2 years and this year as well, IIT Delhi is releasing some additional seats for the students. 23 May they started, they gave 15 seats additional. So they took one more entrance test for those 15 seats and haven't considered the JAM scores there. And then again, last year, 2024, they did the same this year as well. So this is not something which is fixed. It's exceptional. So this year as well, they have released 5 seats, 5 additional seats for the session of 25 and 26, for which they are conducting an entrance test, which anyone who is aspiring to be there, who has given the other papers, must be knowing about this. Now, the registrations for that have been closed by now, but the entrance exam is there. So if you have registered for that entrance exam, you still have a golden opportunity to be selected among those 5 additional seats. To be selected among those 5 additional seats. Now, who all are eligible to give this exam is very important to understand, because eligibility conditions become little strict here. So any student who has completed their graduation degree with 55% of aggregate, at least 55%, and 50% for other reserved categories is eligible. So if you are in your last semester right now, so you will be completing your graduation, you must be giving your exams by now, so you are eligible. But if you're entering your 3rd year, you're not eligible for this. And even the students who have already appeared in IIT JAM are still eligible. You can still go for this examination. Okay, so there was a lot of confusion. A lot of students were asking that, ma'am, we have given IIT JAM, हमने ये भी exam fill कर दिया है, but can we give it because IIT JAM में नहीं हुआ था? So do we have any other chance? या फिर someone who has been selected in IIT Roorkee contacted and asked कि I wanted to go to IIT Delhi, but might get IIT Roorkee according to previous cutoffs. So, shall I give this exam? So, yes, you can give this exam if you have appeared in the IIT JAM previously. You can still go and appear. Now, what will be the exam pattern? That is very important. Exam pattern is different from IIT JAM. As you all know, in IIT JAM, we have three type of questions that are being asked. That is MCQ, MSQ, NAT type. But in this entrance test conducted by IIT Delhi, you will only have two sections, and both of the two section will be MCQ section. Both of them will be MCQ section. Section 1 is going to be MCQ for 1 mark each with 1/3 negative marking, and you're going to get 20 questions. Whereas section 2 will again be MCQ, 40 questions, 2 marks each, so 2/3 negative marking. The total of this exam would be 100 marks. 100 marks would be the total. So you have to just give 60 questions again, but they will only be MCQ, no MSQ, no NAT. So you can save your time there. MCQs are little easier than MSQs and NAT, right? Now, next to this, when is the exam? What is the duration of exam? So the exam is going to happen on 8th June 2025 this year. It will be between 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. But let me tell you, it is not a computer based test. It's not the online test. So, like IIT JAM, you cannot give it from your nearest town. You have to travel to Delhi. They are conducting this entrance exam at their own campus, at the campus of IIT Delhi. So, it's an offline test at IIT Delhi campus. So, you will have to go and travel to that campus. All right. So 8th June ko they are taking exam. So around these dates, the admission lists are going to come by 8th June. First admission list of IITs would have been out already. And after few days of 8th June, like next day, next to next day, the other list, second list, third list are going to come on. But for the students who are going to appear, the result for them, the additional seats will be declared later on. So you will be given information when the additional list come on. Next to next list come on. After finalizing the admissions to those 25 seats, the result for this will be declared. The process is same again. Result will come on. The answer key will come. You can go challenge it. You can find your scorecard. After downloading your scorecard, you will have to that is your IIT Delhi basically. So you don't have to go and apply for IIT Delhi specifically, but you will be entitled that whether your admission is done or not. So that is the entire procedure over here. All right. That is the entire procedure over here. Now, the next question is how to prepare and syllabus. The most important question right now. That ठीक है, we have prepared for IIT JAM, but is there any different approach? Yes, you have to follow a different approach here. So let me tell you, syllabus is same as of IIT JAM. So now what you just have to do is you have to quickly revise all your concepts. You have to quickly revise all your concepts which you have done through IIT JAM, specifically micro, macro, stats, international economics, and your maths portion. These 5 subjects holds high importance, so you have to quickly go and revise all of them. Now, when you will be revising, understand, you will be tested on MCQ portions. So MCQ mein they can ask you numericals, they can ask you concepts, they can ask you applications as well. So you need to follow the 360-degree approach. You cannot just skip things, you cannot just do few things. 60 questions are going to be there. On an average, you can expect 5 questions per subject, 5 to 6 questions per subject. So revise all your concepts. Then quickly practice all the PYQs. So PYQs in the sense, they have taken additional seats. They have taken entrance 2 times in 23 and 24. So the sample papers are available. You can go and you can have a look on those sample papers and can revise them. You can see what type of questions are coming, though the questions are not tough. So this additional seats exam is little easier as compared to the IIT JAM. But IIT JAM 25 was also easier this time. The trend was being visible. But you still have to revise all your concepts, quickly recap your all formulas, So you can also make your formula sheets quickly, because you have approximately 1 month and 1 week to that. So that is great enough, because you have done entire syllabus. You just need to give 1 week quickly to entire subject, to their formulas, to their PYQs, and you would be good to go. But before going into the real exam, don't forget to practice the test in the same format of exam. So you can go and practice mock test. Mock test you can go and practice, which will be in the same exam pattern of the additional seats entrance test taken by IIT Delhi. If you wish to do that, Ecoholics is offering 3 full length mock tests. So 3 full length mock tests at a very, very less price, at only 199 rupees. At only rupees 199 total. So 3 tests at 199. You can go, you can attempt them, and if you wish to get that, you can call us on the number you can see on the screen below. You can very simply go give the test in one go. You can give all the 3 tests in one go as well. You can give it very easily at your convenient with detailed solution. Do not forget, we are giving detailed solutions to that as well. So you're most welcome to give the mock test. Mock test will give you enough clarity about your revision. So after doing your revision, you will get in touch, because February में you gave IIT jam. So a gap has also come up. Or confidence भी shake हो जाता है after maybe your marks were not good. But again, you have the privilege to get into IIT Delhi. So if you have registered for this additional test, additional entrance test, quickly do revision, quickly do the formulas, do mock tests. And if you need our help in any doubt resolution, if you want to help us solve any question from PYQs, you guys are most welcome. You can contact us on the number below and we will help you with the same. Okay, so do analyze your previous papers. I want to reiterate one thing again and again. Do your concepts. If you do your concepts thoroughly, you will be very easily able to attend the exam. Remember, the seats are only 5. So out of multiple students who are going to come at offline center that day, only 5 students will be selected. So selection is going to be tough, but the only thing that will save you is the balance you will maintain between speed and accuracy. So if you will can continue running behind accuracy that day, you will miss out on speed and you will not be able to attempt good amount of questions, and hence will not make to cut off. And if you run after speed, what will happen? You might choose wrong answers. There is negative marking as well. So you will lose marks there. So you have to maintain balance that day. You have to maintain balance that day between your speed and accuracy. So speed and accuracy, do practice, sit down daily, try to solve quickly, try to solve questions as quick as you can, so that you can find out the answers as well as can work on your speed. Okay, do revise previous year PYQs as well. Same patterns can be seen followed there as well. So whatever stuff you have prepared IIT jam through, do it. And also after giving your IIT jam, you must be knowing where you're lagging. So that's a great thing, that you know what was the area where you felt very weak, where questions were coming but you were not able to solve it. So do pay more attention to all those areas. And I would like to tell you one thing: the key areas of the syllabus, you must be knowing the key areas. If you don't, let us know, I will help you. Key areas should not be skipped. Focus on your key areas and the exam will be good to go. I hope this video will help you to come up and work with all your confusions, because we were receiving a lot of queries about this exam. What will be the exam about? How will it happen? What will be the pattern? How can I study? So I hope this video will help you. Please share this video with your friends who are also appearing in this additional entrance exam test, so that you guys can discuss your questions together. You guys can study together as well. And I will see you again soon in another video. And if you want some additional resources from our side, please let us know in the comment box, or you can also contact us on the number given on your screen, and we would be happy to help you. All right. Bye-bye, everyone.